High-paying affiliate programs in 2025 are redefining how digital entrepreneurs and content creators generate consistent income online. With the expansion of performance-based marketing, brands are offering higher commissions to attract skilled affiliates who can drive qualified traffic and conversions. The most profitable affiliate niches this year include software as a service, SaaS, finance, web hosting, e-learning, crypto, and AI-based tools. Companies like HubSpot, ClickFunnels, and SEMrush continue to dominate the SaaS sector, offering commissions ranging from 30% to 50% on every sale, often recurring monthly. In the finance and trading space, affiliate programs from platforms such as eToro, Forex.com, and Deriv are paying high CPA and revenue share models, where affiliates can earn hundreds of dollars per referral or continuous income from active traders. Web hosting companies like Bluehost, Hostinger, and WP Engine remain top picks for bloggers and marketers, with payouts up to $200 per sale, making them among the most reliable passive income sources in the affiliate ecosystem. The rise of online education has also opened new doors for affiliates, as platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, and Udemy offer generous commissions for every student enrollment generated through your links. With the booming AI revolution, affiliate programs promoting AI writing tools, automation software, and digital marketing suites are emerging as goldmines. Jasper AI, Surfer SEO, and System.io are among the most lucrative in this segment. These programs not only provide higher earnings, but also a wider reach as businesses and individuals increasingly rely on digital solutions. To succeed in 2025's affiliate landscape, affiliates must focus on building trust-based content, leveraging SEO, and using authentic marketing strategies rather than spamming links. LaunchJack Dominator, for example, empowers affiliates to automate content creation, manage multiple campaigns, and promote these high-paying programs efficiently, eliminating guesswork and maximizing conversions. The key to scaling your income lies in choosing affiliate programs with recurring commissions, transparent reporting systems, and strong brand reputation. As competition grows, affiliates who prioritize audience value and align themselves with credible brands will stand out. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner, joining high-paying affiliate programs in 2025 can unlock a steady income stream if you approach it with consistency, creativity, and strategic positioning. Focus on niches you understand, create educational or review-based content that solves audience problems, and track your performance metrics regularly to identify which offers perform best. The affiliate industry is becoming more professional, rewarding those who build long-term value rather than chasing one-time commissions. By joining the right programs and using smart tools like LaunchJack Dominator to streamline your campaigns, 2025 can be the year you turn affiliate marketing into a full-fledged business rather than a side hustle.